And here we are again to talk about RAM sticks. So this is the XPG RMAX DDR5. Ito yung mga talagang hinahanap ng mga enthusiast. Pero eto nga, ang daming mga bali-balita. Scam, fake, naloko. Alam ko marami na kayo napanood na videos, articles na nabasa. Pero here in the Philippines, meron pang mga ilang approaches. Okay, approaches pa talaga ginamit yung term. Marami pang mga diskarte na ginagawa. Unang-una, hindi ko napapatagalin. Pagdating sa frequency. Mapapansin mo, dumating yung RAM mo, okay siya, Kingston yung brand, Adata yung brand, okay? Like this one, 3200 MHz yung nakalagay na sticker. Pagka-enable mo ng XMP profile, ayaw. Itong mga legit, minsan natatanggal yung mga sticker nila, like this one, di ba? So, natatanggal yung mga stickers. Pero, eto na nga, kadalasan ito yung mga ginagawa ng ilan. They are trying to mislead you na you bought something more expensive, 3200 MHz, 3600 MHz, or even a CL30. Tapos all of a sudden, yun lang pala is isang 2666 MHz na RAM or 2400 MHz or kung DDR5 4800 MHz lang pala. Ito namang pangalawa, ito medyo hindi ko masyado tong na-encounter. Kadalasan na-encounter to ng mga kasamahan ko sa mga SSDs. Pero this is also happening pagdating sa RAM. Gumagana ulit yung RAM. Even the spec, 3200 MHz siya. Pero ayun, behind that beautiful heatsink na Adata XPG, pagkatanggal niya, anong laman? Isang hindi kilalang brand. Buti sana kung Ztai or among these top RAMs na nandito, okay? Bahala na kayo kung marunong kayo magbasa ng Chinese. These are the top RAMs that is being sold in China, and those are including the brands Ztai, Fanshang, I don't know what are those brand. Pero buti sana kung among those. Kaso lang hindi eh. Dito sa Pilipinas, hindi siya masyadong nagro-roll out. Pero kung meron na at marami na, please feel free to comment down below kung may mga na-biktima na rin ho na. Etong pangatlo, hindi na talaga siya working. It's either defective siya na memory, tapos nerase, nilinisan lang ulit, tapos nirepack, and then they sold it to you. Or, yung mga worst na ginagawa na ng iba, talagang very obvious na nga rin eh. It's a very desperate move. DDR4, tapos binebenta as DDR5. So of course, if you are buying like a data RAM, XPG, then buy it from their official store. Or better, visit the website of those computer stores that are reliable. So ayun lang po guys, this is just my only reminder to you guys that this time of Ramageddon, please be careful in buying RAMs. For more videos like this, feel free to follow us.